Hi, I'm Hassan, the lecturer here at the Institute of Medical Education, and today we're going to take a look at solutions to Section 3 of ACER's GAMSAT Pink Booklet, Practice Test 3, specifically Unit 19, Question 53. And in this unit, we're going to take a look at some ratios. So you remember way back in this exam, we looked at question 21, where we looked at ratios with regard to Ohm's law. But in this unit, we're going to take a look at ratios, but we've just been told that there's a particular compound which in equal volumes are three mutually immiscible solvents. So I think they draw it like this in the stimulus. So we've got 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. I kind of have like the cheat sheet here, but we can do it from first principle just to get you orientated. So we're told that 2, the amount of compound dissolved in solvent 2 is 1.2 mole. And we know that there's a total of, it says here the total compound dissolved in the system is 2.3 mole. So therefore, you can intuit straight away that there's going to be, from 1 and 3, there has to be a contribution of 1.1 mole. And we'd be given a ratio. So the ratio is 15 to 40. So we know once we figure out the ratio, we can figure out how much there is in the how much from 1 or 3 is contributing to this 1.1 mole, and then therefore how much is the percentage. So remember what we said with ratios. So recall 1 to 1 is a 2 parts of equal value. Therefore, if we have 15 to 40, we have 65 parts. So if we have 65 parts, that means 15 over 65 is going to be how much is for our 1, and therefore 40 for 65 is how much is for our 3, or how much there is in our 3. We can simplify these to, as I've put it here, 3 over 11 and 8 over 11. And you can see that 3 over 11 is around 30%, which means we know it's going to be, 1 is going to be about 0.3 mole, whereas 3 is going to be about 0.8 mole. Because 3 is going to be 8 over 11, which is about 80%. So the good thing about this question, if we take a look at the ratios, the really good thing here is that we know that we have now, so 1.2, so the way it is 1.2 to 0. It's going to be, so we'll start off with 1, so 0.3 to 1.2 to 0.8. And if we take a look at the options, the best fit there is if we times everything by 10. So the ratio is the same as if we say it's 3 to 12 to 8. So therefore, the answer for 53 has to be A. But all we did was we just used some deductive reasoning, some simple arithmetic, ratios. Once you find out, I think the crux of this question, the difficult part is understanding that 15 to 40 means there's 65 parts. 15 of the 65 is for 1. 40 of the 65 is for 3, which means we have, ACER purposefully did this. They purposely made it like this so that you can just assume that 1 is going to be about 30%, so 0.3 mole. About 80%, 0.8 mole. So therefore, if you go 1 to 2 to 3, you've got 0.3 to 1.2 to 0.8. The ratios are the same. So it's going to be 3 to 12 to 8. ACER did this on purpose. That's why the answer is A. So if you're still having difficulty, or if you have any more queries about this unit and this question, you can post them in the comment section below, or you can contact us directly. We'd love to help. Thanks for your time. Bye now.